In a beautifully crafted Japanese style tiny home, simplicity meets innovation in ways that redefine what's possible in compact living. At the heart of this space is brilliant design features, a loft bed that's move horizontally right and left across the open void, giving the home unmatched flexibility, function, and flow. This movable loft bed is not fixed like traditional tiny home lofts. Instead, it glides effortlessly along a custom overhead rack, allowing it to shift position depending on the time of day or activity below. Want to open up the main living space for entertaining, working, or practicing yoga? Simply slide the bed to one side. Need to access hidden cabinet or allow more light into the core of the home. Move the bed across the void to reveal the space beneath. This dynamic sleeping area turns vertical airspace into a multi-purpose zone, a hallmark of Japanese efficiency and mindfulness. Complementing this innovation is the strategic placement of smart, space-saving cabinets throughout the home. Every drawer, shelf, and unit is built with intention. Understair drawers store clothing or bedding, while the kitchen features tall, narrow pull-out pantries that make use of tight gaps. Wall-mounted cabinets with sliding doors ensure functionality without interfering with the home's clean lines or limited walking space. Floating shelves are used sparingly, supporting essential items while maintaining visual calm. Fold-out cabinets double as desk or dining surface, and recessed compartments in the walls provide storage without protruding it into the room. Even the bathroom and entryway include slim cabinetry, keeping essential neatly tucked away but always within reach. Together, the movable loft bed and thoughtfully placed cabinets create a space that feels much larger than its square footage. This Japanese style tiny home is not just about fitting into a small space, it's about living fully within it, with harmony, adaptability, and subtle beauty guiding every design choice.